Hello kids! Welcome to our English class. Children, in the previous class we have learned about the sound of vowel. Tell me fast, which vowel? Yes, you are right. And I am sure that you must be making many more words with a vowel sound. Today, let us all read few phrases and sentences while using those vocabulary words of vowel sound of vowel A. As on your screen, you can see there is a picture of a man. And what is this man doing? He's closing his eyes and doing meditation, right? And where is he sitting? On a mat. Come on, let's use these words and make a sentence. Let's begin. A man, S-A-T, sat. On a mat. A man sat on a mat. A man sat on a mat. Good children. In the second picture, you can see there is a man inside a van. Let's read S-A-M. S says sir. Sir am. Sam. H-A-S. Her. As. As. Her as. Sam has a and a van. Lovely. Very good. You were able to read. Sam has a van. The next picture, you can see there is a rat in a hat. Let's make a sentence. The rat ran into a hat. The rat ran into a hat. Now, in the next picture, you can see there is a cat, a fat cat, and rat. Let's make sentence with them. A fat cat ran. A fat cat ran after a rat. A fat cat ran after a rat. Let's read it again. A fat cat ran after a rat. Let's look at the next picture. L-A-D is lad. Lad, H-A-S, has. A lad has a map. A lad has a map. A lad has a map. Now, let's look at the last picture. Lad. Who is a lad, children? Lad is a boy. A lad, H-A-S, has a bat. A lad has a bat. A lad has a bat. Wonderful, children. We were able to read so many sentences. Keep on practicing while reading these sentences. This way, you will improve your vocabulary also. Now, let's say goodbye. Goodbye. See you again. Goodbye. Goodbye. It's time to say bye, 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 bye.